late last night, US time. It happened around, it was a train leaving Washington around 7 in the evening, due to get to New York around 10:30. These are the first daylight pictures that we have of the crash. It's now 5 to 6 in the morning there. You can see the scene of the wreckage. At least 5 people have died and dozens have been injured when this train derailed overnight. Another 6 are in a critical condition. There were 10 carriages on this train. Nobody knows what caused the crash yet, what caused it to come off the rails so catastrophically last night.